My name is Sebastian Kadener. I'm a professor of biology at Brandeis University in Warsaw, Massachusetts. My lab has a long-standing interest in RNA biology, circular RNAs in the context of physiology. I'm one of the co-organizers of the Keystone meeting in Non-Coding RNA Biology, which focuses on the diversity of non-coding RNAs in Colorado. We are very excited to do this meeting, and what we wanted really to do is to bring together people doing really innovative science and be number one, be ready to be surprised. I think that the main thing is we're not focusing on microRNAs or link RNA in particular, but just on the mechanism, on the different type of mechanism that the RNAs can what type of things RNA can do in a cell, and how these things contribute to the cell physiology, to the cell biology, to the physiology of an organism in the context of organism, but again, not focusing on one particular type of RNA and trying to see the huge diversity of RNA molecules that do different functions in the cell. I think that we're in the time where there is like a revolution on RNA and technology for health. I mean, the best example being the vaccines, or the most common example or known example being the vaccines. But we're excited for many of the techniques and things we are going to see, and we are really looking to be surprised also. Of course, we are excited about the relation to the immune system, insight in the structure, but what we want to really be looking at is how basic science of non-coding RNA can help us engineer those molecules and apply them with translational purposes. From my personal point of view, I'm really looking forward to find research that will help bridge between, again, what happened within a cell with a particular type of RNA and what happened in an organism. I'm particularly interested in this aspect of how non-coding RNA or circular RNAs or any type of RNA exhibiting a particular, hopefully new type of activity or exciting new type of activity will have an impact in physiology. And this can go from performing a function within a cell to being transported from one place to the other, or being a signal molecule or effector molecule. So I'm looking forward to this. But when you invite innovative speakers and people doing out-of-the-box things, you get surprised. And usually what you get is much more exciting than what you expect. I think that this meeting comes in a very important, very special time for RNA research and RNA industry, let's say, or application of RNA research to industry. So I think that, again, we really want to bring together academics and together with people from industry, especially exposed students and early career scientists, to see both sides of the RNA world and to hopefully be able to move from one to the other, move stuff from the more theoretical academic point of view to the other side of more application. I'm particularly interested in the academic side, but I think it's very exciting how these molecules can serve as a platform for all sorts of things in industry. I think that this meeting is particularly good, and I went when I was just a very young PI to one of these Keystone meetings on RNA biology, and was very important because the size was perfect, not too big, not too small, and I could really participate in the talk, ask questions without fear, meet face to face with key researchers and discuss my science because it's very interactive, this meeting. So I think it's great to listen to great science, new science, innovative science, and for networking, which is, as you know, key for advancing your career. Particularly this meeting also give young researchers the chance to show the work, and the deadline for the oral presentation, the abstract for being potentially selected for oral presentation is October 29. So this offers great opportunities for networking. And of course the posters also, which we recommend to submit it before, but the deadline is January 6th. I think that I think this meeting, of course, is for everyone. Of course, people early in their career will gain a lot, but also I think in general academics and people from industry can really learn a lot from each other and get a platform for interaction. I think that is really, you get some of the more mechanistic RNA people next to the people from industry, this can really help bridge this, and especially generate new ideas. I think it's about generating new ideas, how you can use all these deep molecular insights into engineer some of those molecules maybe, or modify them to cure disease. Depends. I think this will be the key conference on RNA biology in the next year. You can't miss it. You're going to really be surprised. It will be a lot of exciting stuff, and we look forward to have you in Colorado.